What's up, creators? It's your boy Mad Mike. On today's episode, we're going to be doing a review of a CC Rider seat for a Harley. So stay tuned, check it out. Welcome back to the Mad Lab, boys and girls. Might look a little bit different in here. I recently did a little bit of wall painting. Started hanging up all my helmets, some banners, posters, and all my stuff. So it's really starting to take shape in here. Starting to dig it. Makes it more enjoyable. Next up is going to be a heater in that corner because it's cold in here. But today, we're talking about the Harley, specifically a review of the CC Rider seats. So as you can see here, I got one of their low-profile 2-up seats with the backrest. That's optional, and I couldn't be happier with it. I've had one of their seats before for, I think it was last year's Electroglide that I had, and I absolutely loved it. So this year, I got the same seat, but I switched up the stitching and added the backrest. Last year I got some saddlebag covers too, and to be honest with you, I really like those, but on this paint scheme I kind of like the orange on top, so I'm not going to opt to order the saddlebag covers, but CC Rider does carry those, and they actually are really good, and they protect your covers when you're swinging your boot over there. So yeah, as far as this seat goes, the biggest thing you'll notice right here is this gap. Well, this is a 2000 CVO Screaming Eagle 1550 Roadglide, and this seat here I believe is for a 2007 and newer. So the only thing I did was I made a little bracket right here that hooks into the bottom side of the seat, but if you got the correct year in the correct seat, it'll be a direct bolt-on. This was a direct bolt-on in the rear behind here, but up here I was just missing the sliding connector, so I just fabbed that up. And then you can order an extension of this piece, but I'm just going to make a filler piece for in here. So if you're looking at it and you're wondering why that gap's there, that's why. This is a 2000, and the seat I ordered for this bike was a model up, just because I liked the style of it, and I knew from last year on my 97 Electroglide, I was able to make this seat of this year work. So yeah, the stitching is orange. They got all kinds of different patterns, colors. You can get gel inserts, heat inserts. This one here is pretty much your basic seat that you're going to end up getting. And it's got no gel or no heat in it, but it is priced right. It's super affordable. It is super comfortable. And I'm sure if you went with like the gel pad and whatnot, it'd be even better. So let's do a little walk around here. Everything mounts up good. The backrest. The seat has your traditional bolt behind here. And then there's two silver threaded screws that thread behind here, so you could run a solo seat if you really wanted to. I kind of prefer the look not running that touring pack at all, so I'm going to pull it off right now and I'll show you what the bike looks like, but I think that the bike looks a lot better with the touring pack off. But they do have the backrest, and that's why I wanted to leave it on to show you guys. There you have it. We got the touring pack off, and it just looks more like a bagger, like a performance bagger now. I really like that look, but obviously if you're traveling, throw the tour pack on and have at her. But that looks crazy good. This is like really similar to the CVO style. What I like about it is the clearance in here. I'm 5'9", and my leg is able to wrap around here a lot better, and I can get both feet on the ground when I'm at a stoplight a lot easier. And so that's one bonus, because you can see on the factory seat, this is a factory CVO seat right in here. Look how massive that is. And your leg just pinches up against here. Eventually it'll start to hurt if you're going on a long trip. Not hurt, but get achy. This one here just feels a lot more comfortable with your legs kicked out down on the floorboards. So you can also run this as a solo seat. You can get rid of this back section and just run a solo seat if you really want. So that's a really cool option. And yeah, what else? I couldn't be happier with the quality of the CC Rider seat. If anybody is thinking about getting one of these things, guy or girl, and they got lots of different bikes too, different models, but specifically for Harley, I've looked around everywhere, and to find a quality seat that's affordable, there's nothing really out there. They're all super expensive. The quality on a lot of them is really good, but to be honest with you, I'm blown away with the quality of the stitching, the way that they ship the product. Comes in a nice box, CC Rider, with all this foam on the inside. It's all packaged super nice. Their customer service is next level as well. So if you guys are thinking about picking up one of these seats, give it a try. Just order it. They're cheap enough where if you don't like it, list it on Marketplace and you could actually probably make some money. So I think that kind of takes care of it. I wanted to just do a quick walk around of the seat, show you guys the quality and what I think of it. It's super comfy. Obviously, if you get the gel insert, it's just even that much more comfortable, but that's kind of that.